Welcome to Homedecor USA. Today, we're sharing fresh and creative home organization ideas that will bring order and style to your space. 1. Zone your home. Think of your home as a series of zones. For example, designate a reading zone, a work zone, and a relaxation zone. Keeping activities contained to specific areas helps reduce clutter. 2. Use clear containers. Transparent storage bins are game changers. Whether it's in the pantry, fridge, or closet, clear containers let you see exactly what you have, saving time and reducing waste. 3. Turn dead space into storage. Every home has unused spaces. Try installing shelves above doors, adding under the bed storage, or using the area under your staircase for hidden cabinets. 4. Pegboards for versatility. Pegboards aren't just for the garage. Use them in kitchens, home offices, or craft rooms to hang tools, supplies, or even decor. Customize them to suit your style and needs. 5. Color code for clarity. Use colors to organize books, clothing, or office supplies. A color-coded system not only keeps things organized but also adds visual appeal. 6. Create a family command center. Dedicate a small wall or corner for a calendar, to-do lists, and mail organizers. This keeps the whole household in sync and avoids misplaced paperwork. 7. Vertical dividers for cabinets. Tired of messy stacks of pans, trays, and cutting boards? Add vertical dividers in cabinets to keep everything neatly separated and easy to grab. 8. Rotate toy storage. If you have kids, try toy rotation. Store some toys away and rotate them every few weeks. It keeps the space clutter-free and makes old toys feel new again. 9. DIY drawer organizers. Instead of buying dividers, repurpose items like small boxes, shoe lids, or cardboard pieces to create your own customized drawer compartments. 10. Digital organization matters too. Organizing isn't just about physical space. Clean up your digital clutter. Organize your files, delete unnecessary photos, and keep your devices streamlined. A well-organized home creates a peaceful environment and saves you time every day. If you loved these ideas, subscribe to Home Decor USA for more home improvement inspiration.